Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by building the flavor foundation. Make dashi. Place 4 cups cold water and a 4/6-inch kombu in a pot and heat gently. Don't boil until kombu releases umami. Once small bubbles form, remove kombu, add 1/2 cup bonito flakes, steep 2-3 minutes, then strain. You need about 3 cups of hot dashi ready for the soup. This concentrated stock is why miso tastes layered and balanced, so treat it as the primary flavor step. Once dashi is hot, bring it back to a gentle simmer and add sliced shiitake, diced firm tofu, and most of the green onion. This softens textures and infuses aroma. Meanwhile, cook udon separately, 2-3 minutes for fresh, 8-10 for frozen, then drain and rinse briefly to stop starch. Make sure to reserve roughly 1/4 cup of broth to dissolve the miso. You avoid boiling after adding miso because heat destroys delicate enzymes and dulls the taste. You finish by dissolving 2 tablespoons miso paste into the reserved 1/4 cup of hot broth, whisking until smooth. This prevents clumps. Turn the pot off or to the lowest heat, stir the miso slurry in, then add the cooked udon and warm everything gently for 30 to 45 seconds. Don't boil. Serve with the remaining green onion on top. If the soup tastes too salty, dilute with a splash of hot water or add more udon or tofu to balance the seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.